Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to save sites as favorites, create and organize them into folders, export and import favorites from and to the Edge browser. Why use Edge browser? Microsoft Edge is a great browser that offers a number of advantages over other browsers. It is fast, efficient, secure, privacy-focused, and feature-rich. It is based on the Chromium open source project, which means it is compatible with most web pages and extensions. This is a major advantage over Edge's previous version, which was based on a proprietary technology that was not compatible with many websites and extensions. It is very fast and efficient, using less memory and CPU resources than other browsers. This makes it a great choice for laptops and other devices with limited resources. It has a number of security features, including tracking prevention, malware protection, and phishing protection. These features help to keep your data safe and secure while you're browsing the web. It gives users more control over their privacy. You can choose to block third-party cookies, clear your browsing history, and use in private browsing mode to keep your activities private. It has a number of features that make it a great choice for productivity and browsing. These include a built-in reading mode, a collections feature for organizing your research, and a vertical tabs bar for easier management of multiple tabs. Why it's so important to getting familiar with Edge. As many organizations are restricting third-party applications, including Chrome, due to security concerns, this means that if you work in one of these organizations, you may be required to use Edge. Even if you don't work in one of these organizations, it's still a good idea to get familiar with Edge. It's the default browser on Windows 11, and it's likely to become even more popular in the future. Now, let's see how to save and organize favorites. The first thing you need to do is save a site as a favorite. To do this, open the site that you want to save and click on the star icon in the address bar. You can also press Ctrl+D on your keyboard. Once you've saved a site as a favorite, you can access it from the Favorites bar or the Favorites menu. The Favorites bar is located at the top of the Edge window, and the Favorites menu can be opened by clicking Favorites icon or on the three dots in the top right corner of the window and selecting Favorites. Once you've saved a few sites as favorites, you might want to create folders to organize them. To do this, open the Favorites menu and click on the folder icon to create folder. You can then drag and drop favorites into the folder to organize them. You can also create subfolders within folders to create a hierarchical organization of your favorites. Exporting and importing favorites. If you want to export your favorites, you can do so by opening the Favorites menu and clicking on the Export Favorites button. This will create an HTML file that contains all of your favorites. If you want to import favorites from HTML file previously saved, you can do so by opening the Favorites menu and clicking on the Import Favorites button, and the Select HTML file from Import from drop-down list. This will open a File Explorer window where you can select the HTML file that contains your favorites. That's it. This is how you can save sites, create favorites, move them to folders, export and import favorites to Edge browser. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next video.